Hey kiddos, I'm back with another art project. On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I want to show you how I made this dotted mandala painting. Let's get to it.
Okay, to begin my mandala, I'm going to use this string to help me make some circles on my paper. I don't have a compass lying around the house, which is a tool made for drawing circles, so watch how I use this string to help. I folded my string in half, and I'm going to tie some knots that are fairly close together near the folded end of my string, like this. Now I'm going to use this little wooden stick to hold my string in place, and I'm going to use the knots to help guide my circles with my pencil, like this. Once my circles are drawn, I can start with my mandala pattern. I'm starting with some paint in the center circle, and I'm just using this little wooden stick to make circles, to make dots. If you don't have a little wooden stick like this, a Q-tip would work. Sometimes when I make dot paintings, I like to pull the cotton off the end of a Q-tip, and what's left with that stick can help make circles like this also. So when you're making a mandala pattern, you always start in the middle and work your way out to the edge like this. You can make any kind of pattern you want on your circles. And now that I'm done with the black part of my pattern, I'm going to go back and add some color. Once I'm done adding my colorful dots, I'm going to give my painting some time to dry before I erase the pencil circles that I started with, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. There it is, friends, a dotted mandala painting. I can't wait to see the artwork that you are making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.